Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at this HYCHIKA cordless drill driver, and this drill was kindly sent over to me by the HYCHIKA company in exchange for an honest review. So with that being said, let's take a closer look at it. So just before I introduce you to this drill and we take a closer look at it, if you'd like to buy this product, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description box to the HYCHIKA website. I'm quite excited to get into this box and see what we have inside. So on the outer packaging we have a picture of the drill, a nice design, HYCHIKA cordless drill driver kit, DD18F. So let's take a look at the contents. So first of all, I can see here there's a nice looking carry case. So the bag is great for carrying your stuff in. Get the charger in there, the accessory pack, plenty of room for your drill, and there's plenty of spare room as well for more goods. Now moving on to the rest of the contents. Here we have the drill. So here is the accessory kit. This comes in a nice handy little case with Velcro on it, and inside it comes with some spade bits, some drill bits, some drill bit attachments, and some little socket attachments here, kind of the basic stuff that you need when you buy a drill. So a nice, welcome, handy little set in a quite well made Velcro case as well. Folds up neatly, easy to carry. So finally in the box we have the charger, you also get a belt clip for the drill, and I'll install that in a moment. So then finally you have an instruction manual here, and that is everything that comes in the box. So for the belt clip that it comes with, first of all, just looking at the clip itself, again I'm pretty impressed with just how rigid and strong this clip is, and it's nicely coated as well with a coating of paint. Looks quite good, and you can see I'm squeezing it and it doesn't even give really. Very nice strong metal. So to attach it, there's this lip here, and you just slot it over this part of the drill, and then there's a screw provided, a Phillips screw or bolt, and there it is attached. There is the belt hook attached, belt clip, and when you're working, maybe if you're up a ladder or doing something using your hands, you can just hook this over your belt. Going down to the bottom half of the drill, you have the belt clip here, and this clip can be added to either side of the drill. You can see here you have the same fixings, so that's up to you whichever side you want to put it on. And we have the work light here. Then at the back there is like a wrist strap. So then going down to the battery can be removed with this nice big depressible button. Fairly standard looking battery. It has an indicator on the front here which shows you, when you press this button, it just shows you how much power you've got. You've got 3 bars there, so I think I'm on 2 bars or 2.5. And it's an 18-volt battery with 2 amp hours. In my experience, 2 amp hours of power in a drill is ample. And then to charge the battery, slot it in the top of the charger, and the charging light will turn red, and when that is charged it will go green. Let's take a closer look at the drill itself. Starting at the top, so it has 2 speeds. Speed number 1, speed 2. Nice smooth transitions as well, going from low to high. It has a rubber grip on it, nice comfortable grippy handle, and it has the central lock button here, so you can lock the drill by centralising this button on either side of the drill, and then if you push it one way the drill will go clockwise, and the other way anti-clockwise. So clockwise to drill and drive screws in, and then anti-clockwise to remove screws. So on the top here we have settings, torque settings going from 1 all the way up to 21. So there's 21 individual settings. I'm just going to set this about halfway for now. You might be wondering if this is a brushless model. Judging by the sparks that I can see inside here, I think we can safely say this is not brushless, and this has carbon brushes inside it, and that's not a problem. Just something to be aware of. So you might be interested to know the weight of this drill, so I'm going to weigh it now with the 2 amp hour battery and with its belt clip as well. So the weight is 1,298 grams, so that's around 1.3 kilos. So I've recently been using the drill for general DIY tasks, and I found it very comfortable to use, very easy to use, and it has plenty of power to get the majority of DIY projects done. And it also has no problem handling general materials such as wood, plastic and soft metals. So that's about it for this review video on this drill. Would I recommend this drill? For the price point, yes I would. It comes with plenty of accessories, useful accessories, all the drill bits that you'll need for the average DIYer, and it even comes with its own carry case and a good quality charger. And as for the drill itself, it has plenty of features on it, such as the 2 speeds. It has 21 settings for torque, and it has a powerful 18 volt 2 amp hour battery, which is plenty of power for the average DIYer such as myself. And it even has a work light and an indicator to see how much power you've got remaining on the battery. So for the price point, I think it's a very good value for money deal. So as I said at the start of the video, if you'd like to buy this drill, I'll leave a link down below in the description box to the company's website. Please remember to like the video if you enjoyed it, and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.